In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PowerPoint presentation with Microsoft Copilot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a polished deck in minutes using the built-in Copilot experience. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and making sure you're signed in to a Microsoft 365 account that has Copilot enabled. You'll know you're signed in if you see your profile icon in the top corner. Copilot is a feature tied to your organization or subscription, so if you don't see it later, it usually means your account doesn't have access yet. With PowerPoint open, look at the ribbon across the top. On the Home tab, you should see the Copilot button. Click it to open the Copilot panel on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll chat with Copilot and guide what it creates. In the Copilot panel, type a clear prompt. For example, you might say, "Create a 10-slide presentation about climate change." The more specific you are, the better the first draft will be. You can mention the audience, tone, or structure, like for high school students, informative and optimistic, or include an introduction, key impacts, and solutions. Then press Enter. Give Copilot a moment to work. It will generate slides with titles, body text, and a layout that fits your request. You'll see the deck build itself, which is a great time to think about any adjustments you might want, such as the depth of content or the visual style. Next, review what Copilot created and ask it to refine the presentation. You can type requests like add images, make it shorter, use simpler language, or add a slide with key takeaways. Be direct and specific about what you want changed. If something feels off, ask for a different approach, such as use a more professional tone or focus more on solutions than causes. Iterating like this is normal and helps Copilot dial in your exact needs. Finally, make any manual edits you want. This is your chance to fact-check details, adjust wording for your voice, tweak layouts, or swap out visuals to match your brand. When you're happy with the result, save your presentation to your preferred location so you can access it later. That's it. Open PowerPoint, use Copilot to draft, refine with clear prompts, and then polish and save. With a little practice, you'll find that a strong prompt and a couple of quick refinements are all it takes to create a compelling, ready-to-present deck.